Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. I'm a content creator and a fashion entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be showing you guys an amazing sewing tutorial. So today we're going to be learning how to make this amazing tie front top. This top can be styled in so many ways, over 7 ways guys, and I'm going to show you guys some of the amazing ways to style this, so keep watching. Now let's just get our intro in and do what? Stitch up! So for this top, here's what I did. I wanted my top to be 80 inches long in width. So I took my bust measurement, which is 32 inches, and I added 2 inches for my dart allowance, and then I added 1 inch seam allowance to both sides. Then I added 5 inches to round it up to 40 inches. So that will give you 40 inches by 11 inches. You can make it longer, you can make it shorter, but I love mine at 11 inches so that when I'm done sewing, it just reduces to 10 inches. So that's 40 inches for this side, and the remaining 40 inches, I'll get it from this particular fabric I'm about to manipulate right here. Now you're going to measure out 20 inches by 11 inches for both fabrics, guys. You know it's reversible, so you're measuring 20 inches by 11 inches for one fabric and 20 inches by 11 inches for the other fabric. Then you also need your strap pieces, which will be 4 pieces of 20 inches by 4 inches. So now that we're done knowing those measurements, it's time to start working on the pieces. So guys, for the 20 inches that we're going to fold diagonally, this is how you're going to do it. You're going to take your pieces, open them up, and fold it diagonally. Now sometimes it's easier to do it individually, but if your hand is straight or you have an iron close by, just iron it together and start working on it together. And then you're just going to use your scissors and cut it out right there. Once we're done cutting, you're going to have pieces that look like this. And now we're going to use them to form our 2 pieces on both ends. For the straps, you're just going to fold it into 2, pin it, and sew it from the top to the bottom. So like we always do in my previous videos, just sew it from the top to the bottom, leaving that second bottom open so that you can turn it from there. Now you're going to grab your 40-inch fabric with the 20-inch fabric and just pin it right there, right sides facing each other. So do this for this side and the other side, and then we're going to start working on our darts. To form the darts, you're going to fold your fabric into 2 equal parts. So the center is at the center. So you're folding it at the center. So just make sure you check it really well and fold it at the center. Now we're going to be finding our bust point. So this is your nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2. So in my case right now, my nipple to nipple measurement is 6.5 inches divided by 2 will give me 3.25. Now this 3.25, I'm going to add my seam allowance of 0.5. You know you're going to still sew it by half an inch to make that dart line show. I just love this dart line. If you don't want it, it's not compulsory, guys. This dart line is not compulsory at all. I just like that illusion it makes on the body. So I'm going to just measure out 3.75 right here. So here I'm just going to rule a line representing it, and I'm going to then mark it on all the other sides, like so that I won't make any mistakes. So when I go to my machine, I'm just going to sew it down right there. Now guys, I'm going to go to my machine and just sew everything I've told you guys I'm going to sew. So that's sewing the darts, the straps, the other ends, the 20 inches ends, and I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, here are the dart lines. I've sewn it and it's looking beautiful already. So what I'm doing right now is finding the placement of the other strap. Now the first 2 straps are going to be on those dart lines. So we're going to find where the other straps are going to be. Fold your fabric at that dart line 3 times. So make sure it's aligning well, then fold it 3 times. That's 1, 2, and 3. So right there, mark that spot, and that's where you're going to put the next 2 straps. You don't need to mark it on the other fabric because you're going to be placing them right sides facing each other now. Now guys, when you're placing your fabric right sides facing, please make sure to check the two ends are actually aligned. Now remember, our slants are not the same on both sides, so make sure you check it out to make sure it's aligned the right way. So make sure the triangles are perfectly facing the right ones. So once you've placed your fabric right sides facing each other, you're going to take your straps and put them at the rightful position. Now this is after turning your straps to the right side. Please don't forget to turn your straps to the right side and iron it. So just put it inside, making sure that it's the one with the raw edge, the part where you turned your strap from. That's where you're putting at this part, so that once you sew it round, everything is invisible. You don't need to cover anything, you don't need to work on anything, everything is inside. So remember the dart lines, that's what we're using. So we're using the dart lines for these two, and we're using the marks we just made recently for the remaining two. So I'm just going to do that right now and show you guys what we're working with. So guys, you're going to pin all around the fabric, making sure to align every seam with each other. So you're aligning all the seams you've created. The darts are aligned with each other, the seams are aligned with each other, and you're sewing it down. And guys, don't forget to tuck your straps in so that you won't mistakenly sew on them. Yeah, so basically pin it all around and then leave a space where you're going to pull it out from. So guys, I use these two marks to show where I'm going to stop sewing and then continue sewing. So I'm just going to go to my machine right now, sew it, and then show you guys what it looks like. Yes, here it is. I have turned it inside out. I have ironed it. It looks fabulous. This is the spot where I said I was going to turn it from. And I've also ironed it to make sure that it lays flat, because I'm going to top stitch every single part of this thing. So all around you're going to top stitch it, and once you're done guys. This is what it's going to also look like once you tie it on your body, but this is just a rough sketch of what it's going to look like. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on my body once I top stitch it. And now I am done. Guys, look at what it looks like. It's so amazing, so fabulous. I can tie it anyhow I want. I can tie it to the front, I can tie it to the back, I can tie it as an halter, I can tie it in any way, guys. Just enjoy what I'm doing in the video right here. I'm showing you guys the different ways you can style this amazing tie front top. It's something you can wear any time of the day and still look classy, still look modest. If you like to show some skin, you can wear it. If you don't like to show some skin, you can also wear it. Guys, this is the ultimate game changer right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell button right there so that you can get notified anytime I post any form of video, shorts, long form videos, anything, guys. YouTube Shorts has also helped me to, create amazing stuff. Guys, please don't forget, subscribe, comment in the comment section if you have questions. And if you recreate this, send it to me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to post it on my platform and show my amazing growing followers. And yes, that's all I have for you guys today. Do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out. I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something